Hello, I'm Chef Pops. Today I'm going to show you how to turn regular mustard into homemade hot mustard. These are the ingredients we'll be using for today's recipe. For a full list of ingredients, please check the description box at the bottom of the video. This is cherry pepper. It is hot and spicy and it has a good taste in it. These are Scotch bonnet peppers, very hot, and sometimes I use them. So today I'm going to use cherry pepper. So I'll cut these cherry peppers. In 4 pieces. These are the cut cherry peppers and I'm going to put them in the grinder. Along with the red cherry peppers, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now I'll grind it. Now I'll start grinding. Grind it for about a minute. This is the ground pepper. I'm using this yellow mustard made by Heinz. This is about 400 milliliters of mustard. Now I'll mix my pepper with mustard. Stir it well. The hot mustard is now ready to be bottled. Now I'll fill the mustard in the bottle. I prepared about 400 milliliters of hot mustard and it cost me about $1.50. This is the size of hot mustard you can buy from the store for about $3. So what you're getting is more mustard for less price. And you can also control the level of spicing and what spices you put in. So if you want to have spicier than the one I've made, you can use Scotch bonnet pepper and they're really spicy. For our hot mustard, cherry peppers are good enough. But sometimes I'll use single Scotch bonnet pepper. This is our finished homemade hot mustard. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, please do so. And hit the bell button so you are notified each time we post a new video. If you have any comments, leave them for us in the comment section. And remember to share this video with all of your friends. Until next time.